こんにちは、ゆうこ先生です。いつもレッスンを見てくれてありがとうございます。今日はたりたりの練習をしましょう。Today, let's practice using the たりたり expression. I explained how to use たりたり in this video, so if you haven't watched it yet, please watch it first, okay? You can find a link to the lesson in the show more section below. If you want to join my online courses, please visit the website smilenihongo.com/class. I have grammar courses from Japanese 1 to 6, a listening course, and a kanji startup course. You can get a discount by signing up for a course package. Right now, I have 3 packages, but they are not always open for new enrollments, so please sign up when they are available. You can find all the information in the description box below. I hope you enjoy the lesson. では、レッスンを始めましょう。We've just learned たりたり in the previous lesson, so today, let's practice using the expression. Here's a quick review of たりたり. The たりたり expression lists example activities as in, I did such things as studying Japanese and watching a movie, for example. And you need to put the example activities in plain past form, た form, like this. 日本語を勉強したり、映画を見たりしました。日本語を勉強したり、映画を見たりしました。You can also create various versions of たりたり by simply changing the ending. For instance, you can say, I want to do such things as by saying したいです at the end. You can say, I plan to do such things as by saying する予定です at the end. Or, you can say, I have done such things as by saying したことがあります at the end. But today, I want to practice using this expression. I want to try doing such things as by using してみたいです。してみたいです。I hope you remember the expression て form plus 見ます from the course Japanese 4. When you say て見ます、it indicates you try an action to see what the outcome will be. So for instance, to say, I will try 納豆, you have to phrase it, I will eat 納豆 and see how it tastes in Japanese. 納豆を食べてみます。納豆を食べてみます。To say, I want to try 納豆. Now you have to say want to see at the end like this. 納豆を食べてみたいです。納豆を食べてみたいです。That's why you have want to see 見たいです in today's sample expression. In Japanese, you have to say I want to do and see how it is. してみたいです to say I want to try doing certain things. So how do you ask this question then? What do you want to try? そうですね。何をしてみたいですか？何をしてみたいですか？ Here's the key question that I want you to practice in today's lesson. What do you want to try in Japan? 日本で 何をしてみたいですか？日本で何をしてみたいですか？ Of course, you can replace the particle with が when you say want to. たいです。As we learned back in Japanese 5. So you can phrase the question this way too. 日本で何がしてみたいですか？日本で何がしてみたいですか？ Can you answer the question by using たりたり? Let's first practice with these sample activities. Climb Mount Fuji. See my friends. Take photos with Maiko-san. See Kinkakuji. Eat Takoyaki. Let's say these are the example activities that you want to try in Japan. Then you phrase it this way with たりたり。富士山に登ったり、友達に会ったりしてみたいです。富士山に登ったり、友達に会ったりしてみたいです。If these are the example activities that you want to try, it's going to be like this. たこ焼きを食べたり、舞妓さんと写真を撮ったりしてみたいです。たこ焼きを食べたり、舞妓さんと写真を撮ったりしてみたいです。じゃあ、これは自分でできますか？ Now, can you do this by yourself? そうですね。金閣寺を見たり、富士山に登ったりしてみたいです。金閣寺を見たり、富士山に登ったりしてみたいです。どうですか？ Can you give me your own answer to the question now? では聞きます。Okay, I'll ask you. 日本で何がしてみたいですか？ Refer to the list of sample activities and you can leave your own response in the comment area. どうでしたか？ I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you want to join my online course, please visit the website smilenihongo.com/class. See you in the next lesson. ではまた次のレッスンで会いましょう。